that feel? Whoa. That's the before, guys. We're gonna be doing a before and after on the video. Seeing the exhaust sound. So as far as right now, you can't really hear anything, you know, so you're gonna see a big difference. Yeah, man, let's get to this process. Sounds pretty normal.
Really?
Yeah, you can't really hear anything.
It's gonna sound different with the downpipes.
It's gonna sound different for sure. See how much improvement is the before and after.
Was it quick?
Seems pretty quick, I can't lie. Like,
It doesn't feel quick.
It goes up pretty fast.
Right.
But you can't really feel it, that's the thing.
Yeah, I'm on 60 right now.
You don't feel like 60 though.
No.
I like the interior though, you know.
Oh yeah, the interior is like... Is this chocolate?
Peanut butter.
Yeah, peanut butter, yeah.
Back at the shop. Ready to get started on this car.
What is up, guys? Today we have a 2021 Audi RS6 that we're gonna do some downpipes and exhaust along with a face sheet too. So yeah, let's get right into it. So we're going to take the under tray out so we can see what we're working with. We're going to have to take all of this exhaust out. What's right here? Take what's right here. And got some wires up here. And yeah, get right into it. Alright, so now that we have the under tray down, now what we're going to do next is take all this cross bar right here and also remove these two bars because they're in the way of the exhaust, and remove this plastic cover and this plastic cover. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so now that we have the exhaust down, we're going to bring the car down and start taking the downpipes from the top. So the next thing, we're going to take the heat shield off, and then we're going to have to take all that plastic off because this crossbar has to come out. And yeah, we'll get you the downpipe. Alright, now that we have the old downpipes out, we're gonna start a new one. Alright, now that we got it on, it's time to put the rest of the exhaust on. rest mode, so that'll definitely make a difference.
Most definitely more loud though, for sure. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yeah, I felt it, bro. I almost dropped the camera. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. Yeah, definitely a difference.
You ready, bro?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a big difference right there. It's crazy how that car squats from the back. It's definitely a big old difference. Oh my God. Most definitely a success. Here he comes again. Yeah, man. That's a big old difference right there. The sound just sounds so good. Hell yeah, bro. It looks faster and it sounds way better.
That's pretty good.
It squats hella, bro.
Yeah, it does squat a lot. Yeah. It sounds pretty good. I ain't gonna
Sounds
lie.
good, bro. It's torquing.
Yeah, torquing. But it's definitely improvement from before. I think you feel the torque. Unlike before, like you couldn't feel nothing.
That felt pretty slow. Yeah, hell. Yeah, man.